Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you for coming back to watch this video. If you are not yet subscribed, I hope you'll enjoy this video enough to subscribe. Today I'm coming to you with a project share from Beebeecraft using one of their stencils. You too can have items from Beebeecraft if you have more than 100 subscribers on your channel. I will put the link to Beebeecraft and to the YouTube partnership program and to all the items used in this video. Okay, I decided to use this Hello Spring stencil in today's project. This came with like 10 or 12 stencils, beautiful Easter and spring stencils. You can go back and look in the unboxing for the rest of those stencils. And this is a chalkboard that I had bought on clearance from Hobby Lobby around Christmas time. And I have already taken this chalkboard and given it a layer of Mod Podge. And that kind of helps with the bleeding of the paint when you use stencils, so I was told. Okay, so I'm going to take some painter's tape and tape the stencil down to the chalkboard. Here I'm going to go in with some green and just dab up and down onto the vines and the leaves. I'm just going to go in here with the color Daffodil by Apple Barrel and dab around on the flower. I'm going to use white from Apple Barrel and dab up and down on the Hello Spring. I'm taking Apple Barrel, color Candy Pink, and coloring in this flower. Okay, this is Apple Barrel in the color Lilac, and I'm just going to paint the last flower. I've removed the painter's tape and I'm going to lift the stencil up, and as you can see there is some bleeding there, so I'm just going to go in with the paintbrush and line all that up. And I do believe that that is because of the cheap daubers I was using. I had never used these before. I've always used a makeup sponge or a sponge, and I thought it might be easier to try these daubers, and I did not like them. So I think that's what happened, because I have never had this kind of an issue with any type of stencil. So, and these were very well made stencils, and I think that I'm almost positive it was the dauber. So I'm just going to take my paintbrush and go in and try to fix everything up, and it does. It looks a lot better. here's my finished sign. I love the way it turned out. I think the colors are so bright and pretty. I think this stencil was amazing. If you are interested in any of Beebeecraft's products, I have a $5 off your $40 purchase code, which will be in my description box, along with a link to their website and a link to their YouTube partnership program. If you have over 100 subscribers and are interested in working with Beebeecraft, I urge you to check that link out. I hope you all have a great week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week.